Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So today in this video I'm gonna tell you how you can save a lot on your car insurance in Canada. So before I proceed further, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, please go and subscribe. So guys, first of all, whatever I'm gonna share, it's just based on my knowledge, and I'm not a technical or legal person to discuss about car insurance matter. This is just like a common user and my experience, and it may help you or but may not as well. So first of all, what I have seen, like some factors are in your control and some are not. But before even you decide to buy any policy, it's really important to read and understand what is covered, what is not. Because I have seen some cases where people get the shock of their life when they go and claim something. They think it is covered, but actually it is not. So always read it before you do the final signature. Anyway, coming to save on it, so the first thing I would like to talk here is like postal code. So postal code matters a lot when it comes to your insurance cost. Of course, this is not something in your control, like in some areas it is too high and in some areas it is low, but just based on the insurance postal code or insurance cost, you are not going to switch your home, right? There are many other factors you would consider before you switch your home. Okay, next is so the outcome is like postal code although matters a lot, but that's not an easy thing to change. All right, so we'll not go much into that. Shopping around, like just because you know somebody and just because you know someone who has done life and critical illness insurance for you would be proven as a good insurance advisor for your car also. That is not that is going to happen in every case. It may happen in some cases but may not be, so you got to be really very careful about it. So there's no harm in shopping around because most of these quotes are of no obligation. You can always ask before you take a quote from someone, whether from an insurance agent or an insurance advisor. Always you can say that I need one no obligation quote, because that's just quote, not a final deal. And when and considering scams and all, like when you get a quote like insurance for any product, you share a lot of important details. So you need to be aware with whom you are sharing, where you are sharing. So considering too many scams going on, make sure you don't share your details with someone who is not supposed to know. And there's no harm in verifying someone's identity. Like if somebody is contacted you as an insurance advisor, you can always look at the government's official insurance broker site to find out if the person who is contacting you is actually licensed or not. And it really works. Like for example, in Ontario you can verify this on Revo site, so always check that. Now certain things which can help you, like where your car is going to be parked at night. If it is in covered garage, private garage, it's going to help. Because I have seen many homeowners, like what they do, they make their garage as their storeroom and they park their car outside. I don't know what they have mentioned in their policy, but if I am going to buy some policy, I'll be honest and I would not do anything like that. But again, I won't go too much into the details of that topic. But if you park it inside, it's going to save some cost for you. Some companies, what I have seen, like if you have if you have the third party security device or tracking device, that also helps. But I have not seen this in many companies. So based on the company where you are trying, it may or may not help you. Next is group insurance discount. Like based on your employer, you may get some discount. Like if you go for quoting, a lot of companies ask you to pick your employer so that you may be eligible for a discount. In fact, some organizations are giving professional discounts like doctors, engineers, IT professionals. Like they have some packages. So that also you can take a look at. Then is the making one yearly payment. Like when I purchased my insurance, I was offered 4% discount if I pay on the yearly basis. So in order to reduce my cost, I did that and I was successful. Yeah, like in saving 4% extra. Next comes your driving history, and this is really paramount. Like they check your driving history, how many at fault collisions you have, how many tickets you have. So based on that, they determine if you are a risky driver or not. If you have too much of risk involved, in companies may even refuse to offer you an insurance. That may happen, and it has happened. It has happened. So that although you have a valid license, you cannot take car out because you have no insurance. So make sure it does not happen with you. Okay. So that you can do by avoiding no fault collision and avoiding any activity that gives you a ticket. Now, if you are on a provisional license, for example G2 in Ontario, if you upgrade it to G, that again saves some money, and that really helps. I have observed that. And if you have gone for an MTO approved training course, that also helps. And two other factors, like credit history check. So when you go for court, they ask you to do soft credit check. This is not hard credit check, soft credit check. So if you go for it, it may gives you some discount. So there's no harm in trying for it. And again, you can go for combining home insurance, but it may not work with you. Like if you have two insurance covered up from the same company, you may get some discount, like home and car. It's very common, but it did not work in my case. But it works in most of the cases. So this you can track. And one more thing, like car driving app or my driving app or driving tracking app, whatever name you want to use, basically it tracks your driving habits, and based on that it offers you some discount. So a lot of people don't accept it because it tracks your driving, like from where to where you go. So some people consider it as a matter of privacy as well, but it depends in your case. Like if there is a trip that you don't want to record, you can always ignore it, but it's up to you. I don't want to say, like, it's a matter of privacy. So but yes, it does give you some discount during renewal, so you can consider this. So this is how it works, guys. So I have covered almost most of the points, but there could be many other points as well. So thanks for watching this. I hope you like this video. Make sure you like and comment, and if you have any concern, any question, anything comes in, feel free, absolutely free to us. Thank you, guys.